Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower. The hook size I'm using in this video is 2mm hook and any color of the april yarn. Let's start with a magic circle. Now we're going to make 10 single crochet in this magic circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull the yarn tight. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Make sure that you crochet 10 single crochet in the magic circle. Chain 1, chain 3, and yarn over hook, make 1 unfinished double crochet, 2nd unfinished double crochet, and insert the hook to the last stitch to make unfinished double crochet, 2 unfinished double crochet, 3 unfinished double crochet, and pull the yarn through all the loops. Chain 3 and snip stitch to the last stitch. We are going to repeat the pattern. Chain 3 again and make 2 unfinished double crochet in the same stitch. You'll have 3 loops on the hook and yarn over hook. Make 3 unfinished double crochet in the next stitch. 2, 3, and pull the yarn through all the loops and chain 1. Please follow this pattern and finish around. After the last chain 3, snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and chain 1. Cut off the yarn and weave in the end. Cut off the rest of the yarn, and this is the part 1 finished. Let's grab the other color for the part 2 of the flower. Start with magic circle as well. Make a first double crochet. So now we're going to crochet 12 double crochet in this magic circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pull the yarn tight and snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. Let's make 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. So last stitch we make 2 half double crochet as well. Let's follow this pattern. Make 2 half double crochet in each stitches to finish the round and snip stitch to join the round. And chain 1. Make 1 single crochet from the first stitch, chain 4. 1 single crochet from the last stitch, chain 4. So we're repeating the pattern. Single crochet from the last stitch, chain 4, and single crochet from the following stitch and chain 4. So just repeat this pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first single crochet stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn, weaving in. cut off the rest of yarn. Let's make flower stamen with crochet needle. Bring the needle up from the back of the flower to the front. Put the needle on top like that and wrap the yarn 4 or 5 times. Pull the needle through. And bring the needle down from front to back in the different stitch, and bring it up from middle again and repeating 3 times or 4 times, it's up to you. So I'm pretty happy with 3. I just cut off the yarn and tied it, and weaving ends. And cut off the rest of the yarn. So this is how to make this flower. Please like and share this video if you learned how to make this flower. Thank you for watching. See you next time.